Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to remote desktop in Windows 10 to my VirtualBox Windows 10 Pro. First, search and type remote desktop in Windows 11 and then click so. You can see that there's an IP address and username from my Windows 10 Pro. And then open the VirtualBox and run the installed Windows 10 Pro and type in the search bar search CMD. Inside in the command prompt type ipconfig to view the IPv4. So now we can see that there's an IPv4 in the CMD. We are going to type that in the remote desktop connection in Windows 11. And then click the Start menu at the top. We can see the Profile button. We can see the device name of my Windows 10 Pro. And then click the Connect button. After that you are going to enter and type the password of your device name. Mine is Kurosuken. After that click OK button, then click Yes, and it's now connecting to my Windows 10 Pro IPv4 address. After that the remote desktop is now successfully connected. You can modify and configure other PC settings using your personal computer without going into physical configuration by using remote desktop. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and goodbye.